Yeah, maybe don't do that. Wanda, you sexy thing. I brought goodies. So I don't know if I'm going to be doing it this evening because it's getting late. I've been up since 2 in the morning. But I do need to fit this. I've got parts. I've got parts and I've got parts. Even got a new spring that can get changed. I believe one of the main things I was missing was that, as well as that, or is that on the end of that actually? Yeah, no, it's on the end of it, but that looks like that can get changed as well. Might as well. Yeah, little bits. I think there's even a split pin somewhere. Is that in this one? Yep, even a washer. This was Fowler's parts. They're good. One of the bits I needed wasn't on the site, or well, it was on the site, but it wasn't available. When you order, it says, you know, if you want, you can bundle it in with this and wait till it's available and then we'll ship it all, or you can get all of these first, then wait for your other one to ship, but obviously it'd be more postage. So I just waited and it wasn't even that long. Didn't even wait that long. So yeah, brake rod lever needs to go on. Obviously not on this side, but on the other side, but I need to pull the bike out a little bit.
Non-stop 90s feel good.
I'm gonna throw some oil on the end of that. Just some of this. Yeah, seems to be working a little bit better. Actually, what I might do is spin it over. Yeah, that'd be alright. Yeah, it's much better. So going by diagrams online, looks like that goes first and then that afterwards. Yeah, I'm assuming that goes through there on that bit. Right, so a little bit of a progress update on it. So the return spring is on. This was difficult to figure out which way it went based on diagrams and the fact that there ain't actually a lot of videos online. So if anyone is watching and wondering, I can try and give you, I didn't do it step by step because obviously I was trying to figure it out myself, but it hooks on into there, hooks onto that there. You can see which way up that is. I'm probably going to adjust this a little bit, but it's working. The brake is working. So you can see from there. Might need an adjustment because it's really, when I say it's working, it's really working. When you push it forward and as soon as you touch that, that's it. It's on, sort of thing. I probably could have got another rod for it, but everything else is new in terms of, you know, your spring and bolts and nuts and everything. That's all new. So yeah, brake is now, back brake's working, front brake's working. I've got to figure out what else I needed to do. These are going to be extra. I'm probably going to put red on at some point, but I feel like we might be ready for MOT. There's some bits to do, which I've just realised is obviously needs a front indicator, because it's only got the one there. If I remember, yes, that works on both sides, but the one on the back doesn't work. Although that flashes for some reason, so I need to look into that. Yeah, so that needs sorting out as well, because that's not coming on.